Confession time, blessing time. Guess who don't come now? Come confess finally. The answer where we don't wait for. The argument, that very argument where me and you don't they argue since Ungwanu Lai Mohammed don't bring and come our side. Bagam. You know, say many of you will agree with me. Say for a while now, all of us we don't they talk say government they negotiate with bandits. Say they do this one, they do that one. My people, this one if I make I even call am double confession. Una no go believe. In fact, if they tell you, because me myself, when I see am, I say na lie. I got to cross check again. Lai Mohammed don't come outside, come tell us now. Say they know when they talk they. Una supposed to understand say they talk about all of them. You understand? He said they know who the kidnappers are. They know where the kidnappers are. Listen, no, I don't like it. This say happen for one conference where they for where happen for Lagos. It say federal government know where the different kidnappers and their victims are. They only careful on how to attack them because they fear say if they attack them, the victims will die and some go endanger their lives. Hey! Now like this, my grandmother they do if she hear one abomination news like that. Oh thunder, my sweet thunder. Ava, wait. Oh no, not be waiting at it. Me and thunder will be friends. If I call her like this, you know the exact place where to go. Is it very obvious? My people say this man lives according to his first name. Lie. No, follow of una way don't they think since. Now be this. They know where the kidnappers and the victims are. They know who they are. They know where they are. If I talk, una go say I too talk, hey! God know they sleep. Now like that, small of them go start to come out, they confess. Baba. Una go just you know what they funny me? These people go sit down, send army, gather them, say, oh yeah, action. They go start the kiki innocent people. Bagam. But they know where these people are. So why they not fit send the same army to where the kidnappers they, to where the terrorists they, to where the bandits they? Why they not fit send them? Common sense is not common. Think am. I won't make una sit down. Think am. We need to reset this man's factory settings. We need to carry am back to -0 so that I go feel. You understand? No, I don't like make people. They make me they vex. You people are being careful so that they will not endanger their lives. How long una go dey careful? How long una go dey careful? Make una answer me, answer. How long? Until people start to die. Because una children not there among. If una children there among now, una go no. Una not go bother about being careful. Una not go even think about anything. There is problem. Wahala dey. Wahala e dey inside this country. Problem dey, and until you start to accept am, you never start. First of all, before you solve problem, you have to admit that there is a problem. Nigeria has problem. Take it or leave it. Nigeria get problem, and I dey wonder, okay, now wetin me I think be this. These people say they know where these people dey. They say they know where they dey. Ngwanu, why they never do the needful? I go ask again. They thief your TV. You know where the armed robber dey. You even know in house. In fact, you and the armed robber sef una dey talk once a while based on agreement because they agree. So you won't tell me say you go dey careful. If I go now, the TV might break. If you ask me, it better make that TV break. You no get am, I no get am. I suffer with my money, buy my TV, they come thief am, and I know where you dey. Una wan tell me say, no, make we try reason this thing. Make we put ourselves inside these people shoe. It's nonsense. Baladas. Don't tell me that one. If they know where they are, make they go carry them. See, knows like my grandmother shower cap. You come outside, they tell us, they speak the way I no like this man. Hey, because he never talk true. Me, I not hate anybody, but see, if you know they straightforward, me and you go they get issues. Now, me I problem with this one. I know like him. Anytime we come outside now, put mouth for that microphone. Now another thing. It always they go contrary to the truth. Anyhow, you know why they happy? Because the truth will always prevail. Truth, no joke. It will always prevail. When sun they come out, e get where no sun no they go. It dey spread. Now like that truth be. So my people make una relax. This one is just the English. This one is just the tips of the iceberg. It go come out. Make una relax. All of them one by one. So they go start to leak their secret. Before you know now, they go tell us. Person go come outside and tell us say yes, we do negotiate. Relax. My people, I don't bring us in the hot for on our side. So waiting you guys talk concerning this one. Start a drop off for that comment section. No wasting of time here. And make sure say you share this video. May everybody know say our government know where these people dey. Our government know where kidnappers, bandits, and Boko Haram people they know where they dey. The whole Nigeria need to hear it. Share this video and make sure say you click on that subscription and notification bell so that you no go miss interesting kasala like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Ngige, yes, he don't come outside now, come give us another nonsense speech. Yes, oh, una go to surprise say I call her nonsense because no worry. By the time una hear about herself, my nonsense is small because some of una will even give am bigger ones. According to Ram, he say he blames the past government for strikes in Nigeria, especially when it comes to education. And he also add say present government, they talk about these present people where they rule Nigeria now. He said present government are earning less than a third of the former government's revenue. Meaning say these people now, waiting the past government in the end, say they are this present own, their own a joke. So I bet join me, make me watch the video.
So between this period from 2015 down, coming to now that we are talking, our revenue receipt is nothing to write home about. That is why government has to go into borrowing to do capital works, to do the railways, to do our roads, to even finance portions of agriculture so that our people can get what they can eat. Airports, to renovate all our airports. The things we use in the airports are dollarized. The equipment, you get them in foreign currency. So this is where we are. And so this government, in fact, President Buhari and his government have done what Napoleon could not do. I'm telling you, not because I'm part of this government. I am really amazed that we're able to weather this storm and still fulfill so many of the obligations. Some of those monies and allowances owed them, we're paying. $1 million barrels a day times 30 days times 12.
Okay, so
Minister, we are earning 1/3 of that government end. Even well, it's not up to 1/3. 1/3.
See as it be like can mouth. You go just come out. No, anytime when I see these people, okay, not anymore. Before, I they expect something, are they eager to listen because I want to know whether now for the betterment of the country or something. At the end, they are now just disappointment that they carry go house. What be say APC when I like to blame, like when always they look for who to blame for nonsense actions. When APC go learn to carry blame, when una go learn to take full responsibility? I dey wait for that day. I dey wait for the day where one of you go come outside and you understand, make a speech like, I know that we have not been ruling the country well, but I At least that one. No, it's the truth and it is a fact. This is a sign of failure. No, check out. Anytime a leader begins to point fingers when things go wrong, he has failed. You should be looking for solution and not see. Make una stop all this blame game when they play. Stop it. No, wait till you don't solve now. As you come outside now, they talk about the past parties. I be past government. I be past part. No, wait till you don't solve. Oh yeah, the past government, fine. I'm not saying that nonsense you just talk, but because it's fine. We agree with you. If may we assume say we agree with you. So what have you done about it? No, what is the thing that you've done? Okay, fine. The past government have done this. But now, the way the present government we have brought this solution. Why not? Why can't you bring up something like that? Even they complain about earnings. Say they are earning you are earning less than a third of what they were earning before. Una sabi refuse to cut cost of governance, but una dey quick to cut salaries from government workers. That one una hand dey very sharp. Una mind dey sharp to think of nonsense. If these people really care about us, my people, they will sacrifice their salary. Not everything, but at least they suppose cut down some things. But greediness no go allow them. Greediness no go allow them. Everybody they think of in pocket, they think, you know how much these people don't chop. You know how much they still they chop up till now. And you know how much they don't save already for accounts. Not be one account, I'm not even call them accounts. You know how much? Oh, I don't even they talk of the account where they get here abroad. Una know, if only una know go listen to all this nonsense where they come out they talk. Past government. This one I just watch now. This one is part of the past government. Oh, it's part. In fact, all of una just get out. In fact, all of una just get out. Just get out. I don't tire. Make all of them get out. May we not say, okay, we just they wait. I don't see. None of una self not come out to give any speech. Nonsense. Nobody should come out and give us any speech. We don't want to hear. Shame they catch me. Shame you know understand. I they feel shame for these people. All these old cargoes. I they feel shame on top their matter. Imagine. Me when nothing even concern me, me even they feel shame. But they know they feel. Now why they feel come outside, open mouth, wow, they talk any nonsense where they feel like. Una go dey inside una room, practice nonsense, come outside for public, come they tell us rubbish. A good leader assume responsibilities when things go wrong. And when things go right, in fact, it not be only if they take the glory, now everybody. That is a good leader for you. And the only thing one as Sabi do come outside in nya. I don't bring you now. Now be that Dr. Chris, una Minister of Labor and Employment. Yes, not be my own because so I beg. As soon as I don't hear, I want to know whether you dey in support or you know they in support or just drop off for that comment section. Share this video, man. Nigeria, no wait till this. I don't even know what I call am. Anyhow, share am make they know wetin don't talk. Hey, I make sure say you click on that bell and my own be that. Just click on it so that you no go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.